This is my Maytag dishwasher. It was making a terrible buzzing, grinding noise. It was really loud, obnoxious, and I couldn't figure it out. There wasn't really anything too informative about this issue on YouTube. It just showed how to clean this out. This had a bunch of broken glass in there, which I initially found. I have the dishwasher flipped out and set up on its back. Cleaning the broken glass out of the strainer made the issue better, but it was still very loud and buzzy. Finally, I was able to figure this issue out because this chopper wheel was what was making the noise, but it finally came through the side and caused water to leak down into the basement. This is a pretty good website. It shows you the parts diagram. There's the pump housing, the chopper wheel, motor. I added all those parts to my cart. The housing and chopper wheel added up pretty quick. There's the price of the pump. And then I discovered I could buy the whole assembly, all of this. So I thought that was the best use of money. So I tried to make a video earlier showing how this comes apart and clean it. There's a couple of videos out there I found for cleaning this, so didn't figure I needed to go too far into detail. But this comes off. This twists out. My flapper here is warped and no good. I couldn't buy the flapper individually. This part again was like 13, 14 bucks. So pump, motor, grinder, failed. I just put some dish soap on the seal to lube it up. Clamps, 3 clamps hold it in, handful of wires. She's running pretty quiet. I'm just washing the soap out from when it quit working. There was dried soap in there. And hopefully somebody finds this helpful because I didn't see much on this issue.